Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make creme brulee. First, preheat your oven to 325 degrees F and gather your ingredients. You'll need 5 large egg yolks, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 cups of heavy cream. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt. Also, prepare 4 4-ounce ramekins and a shallow baking dish for a water bath. Now, let's create the rich custard base. In a medium bowl, whisk together your egg yolks and 1/4 cup of the sugar until the mixture is light in color and creamy. In a separate saucepan, gently heat the heavy cream with the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar until it just begins to simmer. Slowly pour the hot cream into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. Carefully pour the tempered custard into your prepared ramekins. Place these ramekins into the shallow baking dish. Then fill the dish with hot water until it reaches about halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Bake at 325 degrees F for 30 to 35 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Once cooled, chill for at least 4 hours. For the grand finale, sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the top of each chilled creme brulee. Use a kitchen torch to caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful, golden brown, crisp crust. This creates that signature crack when tapped. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade dessert. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.